Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Arisa Georgia Soares. I'm 32 years old. I'm married. I'm college graduate. I have 4 kids, 9 years old, 8 years old, 3 years old, and 6 months. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years and 3 months, from October 10, 2017 to January 20, 2021. I serve a couple and 1 kid.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a household work, clean the house, take care of kid, laundering, ironing, and marketing.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food, feeding them, and I will make sure that they are healthy and clean, and I treat them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam Sir, I am a hard-working person. I can cook Filipino food and I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it is necessary to be a hard-working person, honest, fast learning, and God-fearing.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, I promise to follow your rules and I finish my 2 years contract. Please hire me. Thank you and God bless.